Squaring the edges of a pothole before filling ensures the patch bonds to stable material and lasts longer. When preparing a pothole repair, cut straight vertical edges into sound pavement so the patch material can adhere fully to the surrounding surface and not just bridge a gap. Remove all loose debris and dry the cavity as best you can because trapped dust and moisture reduce adhesive strength and promote early failure. If the hole extends into soft or undermined base material, remove that weakened material and replace it with compacted aggregate before applying the patch so the new surface rests on a stable foundation. Use a tack coat or bonding agent on the vertical faces when working with asphalt emulsion or hot mix to increase cohesion between old and new material, applied sparingly and allowed to tack but not run. Fill-in lifts no thicker than 2 inches and compact each lift thoroughly with a hand tamper or plate compactor so air voids are minimized and load transfer improves. If you must do a deeper repair, build it up in even lifts. Match the patch material to expected traffic and temperature conditions. For example, choose a polymer modified or hot mix for heavy traffic and cold environments. And always dress and feather the surface slightly above surrounding grade to allow for future settlement while avoiding low spots that collect water. Common problems start with feathered or sloped edges that let traffic peel the patch away at the perimeter. So square the cut to vertical and use a bonding agent to lock the edge. Another frequent issue is poor compaction from filling too deeply in a single pass, which leaves air pockets and leads to rapid failure. Prevent this by compacting in thin layers and verifying firmness with a hammer or compactor. A third concern is trapped moisture or debris inside the hole that sabotages adhesion, so clean with a broom, blow with compressed air or a leaf blower, and allow drying time or use a solvent wipe when necessary. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community of people discussing practical repair techniques and contractor experiences. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase projects and join conversations with potential clients and peers.